So I'm just now going to talk about the capital gains calculator tool. And please note that the most important thing today is just to simply understand the basic process. And also I'd say excuse the sample data. It's only there for illustration purposes. So the capital gains calculator tool is located within Advisor Zone under the Research Tools heading via the drop-down menu. So let me outline what the tool can do and how it supports your day-to-day activity. So it can generate both realized and unrealized gains capital reports, giving you a clear picture of a client's current position and their potential future gains. You can model gains or losses that would arise from selling specific assets, which is ideal when clients want to understand the tax impact before they transact anything. The tool can also suggest which assets to sell to meet a particular objective, whether you're targeting a gain, creating a loss, or aiming for specific proceeds. For assets that are re-registered onto WealthTime, you can enter the original acquisition or book cost to keep calculations accurate and complete. When you open the tool, the first screen you see is what's called the dashboard. If you're a power planner, ensure that you select the advisor you're working on behalf of, and then locate your client's general investment account wrapper. Once selected, the dashboard displays the current value of that GIA and all gains and losses in the current tax year. You can switch the view to a different tax year or customize those dates. This then gives you a clear high-level overview of your client's tax position before you move into the detail. Next, on the left-hand menu is the valuation. This provides a full breakdown of assets currently held, which includes unit holdings, the original acquisition cost, and the current market value. And there's also here an option to include past holdings. Next on the menu is the cost-based inquiry. Here you can select the investment from the drop-down and switch between disposals and acquisitions. Disposals shows all historical disposals, including the proceeds, acquisition cost, and resulting gain. Selecting a specific disposal reveals the acquisition transactions matched to that. Acquisitions provides a detailed view of all acquisitional entries associated with that particular asset. Now, under the Reports section, the tool can generate both realized and unrealized reports, giving you a clear picture of the client's current and projected CGT position. Next is the Scenarios option. As tax year end approaches, this area becomes especially valuable. So instead of performing manual calculations, you can test different what-if type scenarios, such as targeting a gain, targeting proceeds, or selling proportionately, and then instantly see the CGT impact. You can also include off-platform gains or losses, exclude assets where needed. So it's a simple, flexible way to identify the most tax-efficient outcome without disrupting the client's investment strategy. And all the information that you run here can be downloaded into either Excel or a PDF format. And then finally, we've got the historical cost base. So this is for any assets that are re-registered onto the WealthTime platform. This section allows you to enter the original acquisition or book cost, so all calculations remain accurate and complete. And once you've done this once, it will be saved for future reference. You don't need to save it each time. So overall, the tool is designed to provide a clear, flexible insight into CGT positions, helping you make more informed recommendations for your clients.